everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how I made this rhinestone rose cowboy hat inspired by Beyonce's Cowboy Carter tour. The first thing you need for this DIY is a cowboy hat. I picked this one up from Amazon. Next, you're going to need some iron-on rhinestone patches to add to your hat. I picked these roses up from Amazon. And last but not least, you need some sort of iron or heat press in order to attach the rhinestones to your hat. Next, you want to peel the rhinestone iron-on off of the backing that's attached and stick it onto your hat wherever you would like to place it. Once your iron-on is on your hat, grab your heat press and move it around the patch for about 20 to 30 seconds to make sure all the rhinestones are glued down. After ironing, remove the plastic backing to reveal your rhinestone patch. I ended up ironing on another rhinestone rose on the other side of the hat because I wanted mine to have a little bit more of a design. And there you have it. That is how you create a super cute rhinestone cowboy hat. I feel like this is a super easy DIY to make if you are going to any of the Beyonce Cowboy Carter tour concerts.